అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. చాలా సంతోషం. టుడే I am here in this prestigious institution. It's not only prestigious, it is really the present and future of India, particularly in the medical and pharmaceutical sector and other allied activities of the medical sector. I feel extremely happy to be here in my home state of Andhra Pradesh and to experience the honor of inaugurating the Andhra MedTech Museum, which commemorates the visionary leadership of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, my mentor. I cannot explain in words the amount of joy and happiness I have after seeing this institution. The way it was envisioned, the way it was executed, the way it is progressing, I am really very, very happy and feel secure that the future of India is very safe and also the future of India is bright, and institutions like this, they will pay way for the achievement of Viksit Bharat. This is one institution. One can really see the future. This is an institution giving training, passing on knowledge, and also instilling confidence in the rural people, not so much educated, and particularly women, forced from the neighboring villages, doing an excellent job, but they have been trained, they have been tuned, they have been motivated to do this great job. I really would like to compliment Shri Jitendra Sharma and the other members and faculties of this great institution for achieving this in a record period of 7 years. This institution has created a comprehensive ecosystem that provides common scientific facilities, regulatory support, prototyping infrastructure, and manufacturing assistance, all together, all in one. In doing so, it has been enabling startups, MSMEs, and global manufacturers to collaborate and accelerate the production of affordable, high-quality medical technologies. I was wondering when Sharmaji was explaining about various institutions, and then the cost of it, while they were importing it, and the present cost, where we have come to a stage we are ready to not only support local requirement, but also willing to export also. Wonderful, amazing experiment and a great achievement in such a short period. We must be self-reliant in what we require. What is happening earlier, right up to the gloves, medical gloves, we were importing from different parts of the world. Today, because of initiative taken by here, this MedTech Park, most of those things are now being manufactured here. I am very happy to see it, and I would like to see that such experiments, such innovations happen in various parts of the country. My dear friends, today, as I was telling you, the entire world is again looking to India. And India, we have mini India here. What is India? What are its capabilities? The best example, best exhibition is this MedTech Park. I can tell anyone who will visit this institution, they will be influenced, and they will be mesmerized, and they will be also motivated by this great experiment that is happening here. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.